Cherry blossom paradise. Which Asian country is famous for its stunning blossoms? Hi everyone, welcome to Cherry Blossom Paradise. Did you know that Japan is famous for its stunning cherry blossoms? The cherry blossom season, which is known as hanami, attracts visitors from all around the world to admire the beautiful pink blossoms. These delicate flowers symbolize the transient nature of life and the beauty of fleeting moments. In Japan, cherry blossoms can be found in parks, temples, and long rivers, creating a breathtaking backdrop for picnics and celebrations. The Japanese tradition of hanami dates back centuries and continues to be a beloved cultural event. So, if you are looking to experience the enhancing beauty of cherry blossoms, Japan is the place to be. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspirational videos. Thank you.